My son and his friends will not stay away from an abandoned house in our neighborhood. It's in terrible shape and dangerous. If my son gets hurt, can we sue the property owner? Can kids get in trouble for trespassing? And that question comes from Dominic. Your advice?
Dominic, that's a good question. To answer the last part of the question first, yes, your kids could potentially get in trouble for trespassing on there. It would require the owner probably to press charges or to call the police on them. To answer the question about the injury and the liability portion of that, your children would probably be classified as trespassers on that property, and the duty owed to a trespasser is to refrain from willfully injuring them. So I believe it would be very difficult if your children or their friends were injured on that property to hold that owner liable unless he set up some kind of trap to purposely injure them. Then if it's just a general negligence type situation or your kids injure themselves, there's probably not much you can do.
All right. Now, will Dominic be responsible as well? I mean, especially if those kids are young, you know.
It depends. I mean, there could be some negligent supervision claims, but the owner, he probably wouldn't be liable for any criminal part of his kids trespassing, but again, it'd be best practice not to. Yeah.